Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start our next activity, congruency of triangles. Objective of this activity: experimental verification of different criteria for congruency of triangles using triangle cutouts. Materials required for this activity: cardboard, a pair of scissors or cutter, white paper, geometry box, color glazed papers, adhesive. Theory: congruent figures. Two figures are said to be congruent if they are of same shape and same size. Congruent means equal in all respects. Example: two circles of the same radii and two squares of the same sides are congruent. Congruency of triangles. Two triangles are congruent if sides and angles of a triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the other triangle, or if a triangle coincides or covers the other triangle completely, then the two triangles are congruent. If triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC, then we write triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC. Here, this symbol is the sign of congruency. In congruent triangles, corresponding parts are equal and we write it in short form CPCT. That means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Then criterion for congruency of two triangles. There are four different criteria for the two triangles to be congruent. First is SSS, side 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 criterion. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Second, SAS, side angle side criterion. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of a triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Then ASA, angle side angle criterion. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. Next, RHS, right angle hypotenuse side criterion. If in two right triangles the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, the two triangles are congruent. Procedure. First, take a cardboard of suitable size and by using adhesive, paste a white paper on it. Then cut out a pair of triangle ABC and triangle DEF from glazed paper such that AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. So refer the figure given here. Then make a pair of triangle GHI and triangle JKL on glazed paper such that GH is equal to JK, GI is equal to JL and angle G is equal to angle J and cut them out. Refer the figure given here. Next, make a pair of triangle PQR and triangle STU from glazed paper such that QR is equal to TU, angle Q is equal to angle T and angle R is equal to angle U and cut them out. Refer the figure shown. Next, make two right triangle such that triangle XYZ and triangle LMN from glazed paper such that YZ is equal to MN, XZ is equal to LN and angle AX is equal to angle L is 90 degree. Refer the figure shown here. Then demonstration. Superpose triangle ABC on triangle DEF completely only under the correspondence A to D, B to E, C to F. See that triangle ABC covers triangle DEF completely. Hence, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. If AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF, which is called as the SSS or side criterion for congruency. Similarly, superpose triangle GHI on triangle JKL completely only under the correspondence G to J, H to K and I to L. See that triangle GHI covers triangle JKL completely. Hence, triangle GHI is congruent to triangle JKL if GH is equal to JK, angle G is equal to angle J and GI is equal to JL, which is the SAS or side angle side criterion for congruency. Similarly, superpose triangle PQR on triangle STU only under the correspondence P to S, Q to T and R to U. See that triangle PQR covers triangle STU completely. Hence, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle STU. If angle Q is equal to angle T, QR is equal to TU and angle R is equal to angle U, which is the ASA or angle side angle criterion for congruency. Similarly, superpose triangle YXZ on triangle MLN only under the correspondence Y to M, X to L and Z to N. See that triangle YXZ covers triangle MLN completely. Hence, triangle YXZ is congruent to triangle MLN if angle X is equal to angle L is equal to 90 degree, YZ is equal to MN and XZ is equal to LN, which is the RHS, right angle hypotenuse side criterion of right triangles for congruency. So by this activity we got the result that using triangle cutouts we have verified experimentally the different criteria for congruence of triangles. Thank you.